Agriculture is no longer an occupation for rural community. Time has come to do agriculture on commercial basis. The traditional farming methods have been gradually improved through application of latest technology in seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and reducing risks of poor farming methods through education and awareness programs to optimize farm production. Indian agricultural extension strategy is at crossroads now. Either market-based agricultural extension methodologies, that is demand-based, or traditional extension methods, that is supply-oriented. The market-oriented extension methods play a crucial role in the development of farm economy and farming with long-term effects. This methodology motivates farming community towards crop diversification and understand the market requirements by linking with market. In the view of the present obstacles for the growth, the project has been designed with the overall objective of improving farm income and creating livelihood security of the arid zone farmers by institution building, capacity building in terms of production technology, crop diversity and hand-holding support. It is proposed to implement the project in 35 villages of Anantapur, Medak and Chittor districts of Andhra Pradesh, covering about 1,575 farmers beneficiaries. The project operational area cropping pattern is groundnut in Kharif, paddy, vegetables under irrigation and Bengal gram in Rabi season. Participatory baseline survey exercise, training and extension services, expert agricultural advisory services through subject matter specialists, on-farm promotion of vegetable production and system of rice intensification paddy cultivation for crop production technology transfer, exposure visits, market planning, monitoring and evaluation through follow-up visits and feedback reports, and sensitization through flyers were adopted in implementing the program. The project is funded by Syngenta Foundation India, NGO Akruti for anchoring the project and community mobilization, farmers, direct implementers and beneficiaries, networking with National Agriculture Research Stations, NARS, ICRISAT and government line departments to provide benefits to the farming community. Farmers have adopted and improved technological vegetable farming methods to establish their own gardens. Tomato 1.6 hectares, cabbage 0.6 hectares, chili 1.7 hectares, brinjal 2.3 hectares, bhendi 6.6 hectares, bitter gourd 0.2 hectares are being cultivated and linked to markets in the project areas and generated income levels.
ఇదివరకు ఇంతవరకు వేయలేము ఇట్లా వేసినా కానీ ఇట్లా బోజలు కొట్టాలి ఇట్లా చేయాలి అనేది మాకు తెలియదు. సార్ వచ్చి చెప్పేసరికి వేస్తున్నాం. మాకు ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం బాగానే ఉన్నాయి.
అయితే ముందు మేము ఇలా లైన్స్ వేసేవాళ్ళం కాదు. ఈ సార్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి సిజెంటా ఆకృతి నుంచి సార్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చి చెప్పారు. వాళ్ళ పద్ధతి చెప్పిన ప్రకారం పాటించి ఇలా 60 సెంటీమీటర్కి ఒక చెట్టు వేయడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు మొక్క బాగుంది, పంట గిట్ట దిగుబడి బాగుంది. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టు వాళ్ళ పద్ధతులు పాటిస్తున్నాం మేము.
Productivity enhancement has enormously recorded in Bengal gram from 6 to 8 quintals per acre. Supplied foundation seed of JG11, Jaki 9218 seed production organized in 169 acres. Extension services had been facilitated in Uravakonda in Anantapur district and institutional structures have been established and operated. Demand for seed material was higher than anticipated. Adoption of technology is a process that took time and it requires continuous sensitization, harmonizing expectations and maintaining motivation of the beneficiaries and partners. Sustainability and way forward. Formation of farmer cooperatives and market associations to scale up the project activities, market planning for communities, creation of revolving funds for production, marketing, and to rope in the other stakeholders of village like self-help groups engaged in the non-farm activities, income generation activities, and location-specific need-based activities through interventions. Introduction of farm mechanization to combat prevailing labor shortage in future. Plan to extend out programs in 20 villages of Medak district, 10 villages of Anantapur district, 5 villages of Chittor district and 8 villages of Kadapa in convergence with ongoing National Agricultural Innovation Project supported by Indian Council for Agriculture and Research, lead partner Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture, Hyderabad. Integration of activities into government or other partners to ensure continuity was seen to impact considerably on the sustainability of the project.